welcome back to my channel. So this is a new chapter, mensuration, for in chapter 10 for grade 10 students. Okay, so mensuration is one of the important chapter for gaining marks in in your math paper. Okay, so in this you'll be having a lot of formulas. Just need to know when to apply which formula. Okay, so I'll just explain you what is this mensuration is. So generally, if you want to find the area of any some solid object, okay, we will be using this mensuration. Okay, so generally, if there is a solid object, okay, if any object, your phone or your pen or anything, see if you want to find this area, so this is in the find its shape. Okay, if suppose it is like in a cylinder shape, then you have to apply the cylinder lateral surface area of this cylinder, and you'll know the area formula for this. Okay, so any solid object, if you want to find its area and all, it basically has two types. Okay, two types of areas you can find. First is lateral surface area and other is total surface area. So what is this lateral surface area is? It is nothing but it is the product of base parameter and height. Base perimeter and height. Okay, what is this TSA is? It is nothing but it is the sum of this LSA and the area of its top. So TSA is the sum of LSA, okay, sum of LSA and areas of its top and base. Top and base. That means if the base is in the form of a circle, you will take its area. Okay, that's how you will find this TSA, total surface area. So now we'll see in detail what is this LSA. Okay, LSA is nothing but for LSA. Okay, LSA, if you take for cuboid and cylinder. Okay, for cuboid and cylinder. Okay, then lateral surface area of cuboid is 2h into L plus P, and this is for cylinder, it is 2 pi RH. Okay, clear? So LSA means lateral surface area, that is a product of base and perimeter and height. Okay, so this LSA is divided, for doing two types, cuboid and cylinder, you can find this LSA. Okay, it's not divided into, for if you can apply LSA for these two solid objects, cuboid and cylinder. So these are the formulas. Okay, now we'll see TSA of the cylinder. This is the LSA, right? TSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. See, TSA means sum of LSA and its area of its top and base. So sum LSA is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square for cylinder. Okay, so this will become 2 pi R, if you take common, that is R plus H. Okay, so how cylinder shape will be like? It will be like, suppose if you take this one. Okay, but the lateral surface area of this one, you got it through LSA. Okay, now he is telling you got the LSA and area of its top and base. Area of this top is like a circle, right? The area of a circle is nothing but pi r square. So this pi r square plus pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. That's why you got this one. Okay, this is the formula for TSA of a cylinder. Okay, now we will see what is volume of a solid. Volume of solid. It is nothing but it is the product of its base area and height. Base area and height. Okay, so that means V is equal to A, area into height. Okay, so volume of cube, you can write like, so volume of cube is nothing but A square into A, that is A cube. A square is the area, height is also A. Okay, so that is A cube. So now volume of cylinder. Cylinder is pi r square is the area, height is considered as h. So this is pi r square h. Okay, So this is what the volume is. Okay. Now we have different formulas for different solid objects. Okay, so I'll just give a brief about it. Okay, if it is a cuboid, okay, you have to remember these formulas generally, which are asked maximum times. Those only I'm telling here. Okay, TSA, I mean cuboid, cube, and he'll be mostly asking you sphere, hemisphere and all. Okay, those I'm telling over here. Okay, TSA and volume. Okay, so for cuboid, this LSA is, the formula is 2H into L plus B. Okay, and TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, volume becomes LBH. Okay, you need to remember this. All right, next is cube. For cube, LSA is 4A square, 6A square, and volume is A cube. Next is we will take sphere. Most of the questions are about cuboid, cube. You will have cylinder, one more thing, and this is sphere. Okay, most of the questions are regarding these only. Okay, so for sphere it is 4 pi r square, 4 pi r square. This is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And next comes a cylinder. For cylinder it is 2 pi r h. We already did this. R plus h pi r square h. Okay, if you take hemisphere, that means half of this one, sphere, so that will become 2 pi r square. This is 3 pi r square. This became 3. Okay, so this will become 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, these are the basic formulas which you need to know before starting this chapter, mensuration. Okay, please remember this. Okay, we will start exercise 10.1 in our upcoming videos, in the next video. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this, please let me know in the comment section. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.